All right, so today we've got parts in and now we can put a bumper back together and get it back on the car. So let's get into this, folks, and get this Honda finished up and ready for the road. All right, so we got our new fog light, and if you look, it's got two little tabs right here. One goes underneath and one goes over the other edge of it. You just get them started there and slide it right on. And there's another little post right there. After that, we just take our retaining screws here and, well, my magnet's kind of getting weak on my drill. But yet it's strong enough to pull the other one off there. All right. We dropped that one, and should be one last bolt right there. Okay, and that fog light's in place. Make sure everything else is tight on it. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, so now we just got to go ahead and get the rest of the grill assembled after we got the lower part of it. Now the upper part's fairly simple. It's just pretty much goes into a groove, and then we get down here and line the holes up, if it'll cooperate with me, and snap it all back together. That's really all there is to that. I may have missed the hole on that one. I sure did. Oh, there it goes. Snap in place. And now I just put this right back in here and boom. Wow. When getting a new bumper, sometimes the holes don't exactly match 100%, so you gotta kind of have to wiggle them around, but they do come that way from the factory, so that's to be expected. But there we go. Let's go around here, look at the other side, and we have a complete front bumper cover assembly, freshly painted and ready to go back onto the car. So now all we got to do is get the headlight in and get this car back on the road. Okay, so we finally got our headlight in. Let's go ahead and get that installed in the car, and then we'll get the front bumper cover put back on. Actually, let me get you over here where you guys can see what's going on here. And like I said, one OEM bumper, one OEM headlight, and that's really all there is to it. So here. And the marker light goes right there. These snap in down here and here, and that goes right there. So now we are ready to go ahead and get this bad boy put back in here. All right, so we've got the headlight in here. Now, what I ran into is, like I said, it's a little bit off here, and every car is different. Every headlight is molded differently, and it could be attributed to the impact. But I've got it now. I had to loosen it up, loosen this corner up, and adjust everything accordingly. And now we can just go on and put it back together, and the car should be good for the life of it. Like I said, it's just little things like that that sometimes you got to do after something like this happens in order to get all the panels and everything to line up correctly. So that should be on there. That is solid, that is good. Now we will move up here and get the bumper cover put back on. And this thing's almost ready. This in, put it on. And it should slide right in here. I should be able to snap it in. Okay, there's that. Now, head. Trying to be very careful not to damage the new paint, because that would just be a disaster after going through it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get everything snapped into place. Might need to move this way a little. Okay, so we've got the bumper back on the car and everything looks great. And everything fits. After a little bit of adjustment, we should be good to go. But if you like what we're doing, you want to see more of it, folks, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.